Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the card was activated at purchase and that you're signed into the intended Roblox account. Once done, clear your browser cache or open an incognito window to avoid cached session errors. Make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi and the code and receipt are at hand. This prevents simple account or session mismatches, which cause most redemption failures, so you don't waste time repeating steps that won't work. Now enter the gift card code carefully, reading each character aloud if needed so you catch O versus 0. If you hit an error, try a different browser, the Roblox mobile app, or restart your router. This rules out client, network, or cookie issues. Keep a note of any error message or code and the exact time you tried to redeem because that information matters when contacting support. Make sure to retry after small fixes before escalating. If the problem persists, file a Roblox support ticket and attach a screenshot of the error, the full code, and your purchase receipt. This speeds verification. You'll likely be asked for purchase date, amount, and retailer. Have those ready. Once submitted, monitor your email and the account for refunds or delayed redemptions. If support asks for more info, respond promptly. Tip: if a duplicate or refunded charge shows, tell support immediately so they can reconcile the card status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.